So these books went on sale right before Christmas. They're distributed by Penguin Random House, and I believe this box is from Candlewick Press. So let's get started. It's a small box. Oh, the first one is Jannie Ho, Vehicles ABC by Nosy Crow is the publisher, and that is an imprint of Candlewick Press. And I know Jannie because she lives one town over, and we took a picture book class, writing class together years ago, like 3 years ago, and that's when I met her. She was already a well-established illustrator. I think she had like 35 books out, but she was just there because she wanted to write books as well, and she's had her debut picture book, Bear and something. I own it, actually. It's really cute. But yeah, she's just fantastic. I mean, I can't say enough great things about her, and her illustration style is fantastic. And so anyway, this is a ABCs of vehicles. So I have a vehicle list. Mine's more trucks though, but I'll definitely add it to that. That looks fantastic. The next one is a picture book. And it looks like it's a series, so I'm going to put those out together, by Frané, Lessac. And she is the illustrator for Tracy Sorrell's book, We Are Grateful, which I think is also Candlewick Press. I'm not positive though. But yeah, I love her illustration style. So this is Under the Milky Way and also Under the Southern Cross. And so it looks like it's about living in different countries, but how when we look up, you know, maybe we're all more alike than we realize. And this looks like a nonfiction. So it's like definitely different places in the world, and what it looks like there, and then also what it looks like when you look up. Yeah, looks great. And yep, these are by Candlewick Press, and available now. So thank you so much to Penguin Random House for sending me the books, and to Candlewick Press, and thank you so much for watching.